coaching thought for the day. Don't break meetings with teachers. If you have set up a scheduled time to meet with the teacher, whether it's regularly or just, a one-on-one sort of thing, I just can't stress enough. And maybe this is just a me thing. I don't know. Let me know. But don't cancel those meetings with those teachers. Don't reschedule them. Don't put them off to another time. I think it's really important to honor that. I think that does a lot to build trust between you and the teacher. And maybe it doesn't so much build trust between you and the teacher to, do what you say you're going to do, which is something I've talked about before. But breaking a meeting, I think, breaks trust. So, I don't know, I guess the opposite of that is keep your meetings and keep the trust. There are, of course, times that you have to do that. If an administrator calls you and says, hey, I need to meet with you during this time and this is all that they're available, you do what you got to do. But maybe I should say, don't make a regular habit for sure of breaking meetings with teachers just because another teacher calls you and wants to meet during that same time. Sometimes that comes up where you just have other opportunities to meet with other people. In that case, they just have to get in line. Don't change your meetings with teachers. I just think it's kind of rude. I don't know.